guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and that is vlogging. I'm gonna try it out. Tomorrow is my college move-in day. That is August 23rd. Today is Saturday, August 22nd. So I have all my stuff that I'm packing to go to college in front of me here. We are going to pack the vehicle in about an hour maybe, and we're gonna drive from where I live in South Florida to Jacksonville to stay with some family, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna head over to Gainesville so I can move in. So I just thought I would share my move-in experience. I'm moving into the University of Florida, by the way, in case you were not aware. I just thought I'd make one of these videos because I find these videos to be so helpful and just entertaining. I don't know, so I thought I'd try my hand at it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with here. Hold on. Let me just see. There we go. So all these things here. So we're gonna drive up 2 cars. We are gonna have one minivan and one bigger car, and we're gonna just load it up. So in about an hour my parents are coming with the vehicles so we can get packing. That's what it looks like here. So I don't know, it looks like a lot in person, but in the video it doesn't look like too much. There's some stuff, back up a little bit, there's some stuff in this little corner here too. There we are. So we're gonna see how this goes. I will see if I can record some of the loading of the car, but I don't know how chaotic it's gonna be. And pardon my appearance, it's been a very hectic day. So alright guys, so I am now officially packed. I was planning on doing a time lapse of the whole packing experience, but that didn't go as planned. So this is what we're working with. We rented a SUV, a 7-passenger SUV, and these are my things. Take you around. So sorry for all the noise in the background. I live right by the street. The cars. So here's the other vehicle. So this one's, not that packed. Let me close this one. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. I'll show you guys one more time. So I put more essential stuff towards the front and non-essential stuff to the back. This is my basket with my hanging stuff and all my cleaning supplies. So that's, important. So I'll check back in at a later time. So it's now 8:44. Same day, Saturday. So that means there's almost about 12 more hours until I move in. So that's, I don't know, exciting. I have mixed feelings about the whole thing. This is my room at home. I'm still here. We have not left out yet. There's just been a lot of, crazy things going on. So hopefully we're going to leave out within the next 30 minutes to leave for Jacksonville. So stay tuned. So I'm outside my house. We have the 2 vehicles that are going to be driven right here. I'm just standing up here by the garage. Oops. Downloading extra movie on my sister's tablet. Got my retainers in. So yeah, we're getting ready to head out onto the road in maybe 5 minutes. So exciting. We have a long drive. It's gonna be about 4.5 hours. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so it's 9:20 and we have left the residence with my dad. My mom and my sisters are over there. Yeah, so we're heading to Jacksonville. Oh, they're ready. Alright guys, it's now officially 11:47 p.m. Just checking in with you guys. I don't know. keeping you guys updated. We're at a gas station. Sorry about that horrible noise. We just stopped along the way just to get some gas in the vehicles. It's my mom. Yeah. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll check in. It's 1:52 and we finally reached my grand aunt's house in Jacksonville. So I'm going to hurry up and get settled down and go to sleep because I have to be up and out of this house by 7:20 tomorrow. So bye. I will see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so it is morning and we are on our way to Gainesville now. Oh, a little bit rough, but we're an hour away. It is officially move-in day. So that's exciting, I guess. We're gonna head there, check in, and start moving in. Checked in. We're now moving in. We're walking towards my building now. So we're gonna enter now. Hey guys, so I moved in. I just moved everything inside the building. I just have to, clean and organize and all that fun stuff now. I look like a hot mess and I'm sweating because my hall does not have elevators, so we get to carry everything, fridge, containers, all of that stuff, and up the stairs, up 2 flights of stairs. So it's kind of rough, but we did it. So now it's just to clean and organize everything. I don't know if you can hear me with the mask, but I'll check back in later. Real quick because I am absolutely so horrible for not checking in before. I moved in. So let me tell you how the day went. I moved in, then I left the moving place and we dropped off our rental car. We went to Burger King. We came back to my grandaunt's house, and I took a nap, like a pretty long nap, and I just hung out with some family, and I ate some food, bathed, and now my dad's eating, and then we're getting ready to head back over to Gainesville. It's now 8:58. I left Gainesville around 1, so we're gonna head back within maybe half an hour, and I'm gonna fix my room. My room, I would say, is about 85 to 90% done. I still have some stuff to do, but I could always do that later today, tonight, or tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love it here at UF. I love the atmosphere. I love my roommate. Please stay tuned because my dorm room tour is coming soon.